Hey guys, Spencer here at SpenCertified, and today I wanted to show you this stereo that we built for a customer of ours. It's a Marantz 2238 receiver matched up with a Technics 1300 Mark II, as well as some very nice vintage Kenwood speakers. These ones are model number KL-5080. And for the turntable here, we've got an Ortofon cartridge and needle put on it. This is a very nice turntable. If you're not familiar, it's got auto features, so you can just push start and the needle will automatically go over. You can turn on and off the auto functions, or the auto return if you wanted to, because some people don't want to have that auto function. And then for the receiver here, put brand new LEDs inside of the light area on there, and even the stereo bulbs lighting up. And then you've got all these buttons and beautiful knobs all the way across. You got your gyro tuning, which is always fun to play with. And we also put some premium speaker wire with it, as well as we put some brand new RCA leads on the turntable. And these speakers have multiple options. You could set them to clear, normal, or soft, and then you could even separate all the drivers so that you get direct power and more power to it. We've just got it set to the one wire hookup right now. And on the back of the Marantz, you can always hook up a Bluetooth adapter if ever you wanted to listen to music from your phone on it. If ever you want to have us build you a beautiful system like this one, we could definitely help you out. Just let us know. Come into our shop or give us a call. We can even ship it right to you. Thanks for watching.